Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to clamp templates without using clamps or screws. Let's begin. Okay, so here's the template I'm going to be gluing down to my guitar. And the advantage of my method is it's quick, it's easy, there's no clamps that will get in your way, and once you're done, it takes about 10 seconds to remove. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is precisely place the template where you want it. Make sure it's spot on. And when you've done that, just trace around the edges of your template with a pencil, and that'll help you line it up when you come to glue it. Next step is to take your painter's tape and simply tape around the perimeter of where the template will go. And as you're taping, make sure you don't overlap, as that can cause issues. And then one more strip here. That might have been a bit wasteful, but that's okay. All right, next step is to simply add the super glue onto the tape. You will also need to tape the underside outer edge of your template, as I did here. Now I've already gone ahead and applied my super glue over the tape, just a thin bead. And you're simply going to align the edge of the template with your reference lines. And we're going to take the accelerator and just shoot along the edge. And we're going to keep pressing down for 30 seconds or so. Okay, so next step is to pop off the template. This is very easy. You can do it one of two ways. You can just simply pry up from underneath while pushing up like this. Or you can take a flat chisel and make sure the bevel is pointing upwards, and just grab a corner and start gently prying, and the tape should start to come off. A little bit of residue on the template there, but that can easily be scraped off. No clamping marks, very easy to do, simple. Now, this is not something you want to be doing for heavy duty work. Little projects like this is fine, but you can't use this on a shaper or very large routers. So just so you're aware, it is a safety concern. But for projects like this is fine. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you later.